In this coursework, you will have to show your database skills using Access. You will need to create tables and modify fields, create forms to capture data, create queries and reports. This tutorial uses Access 2013, but what I will be teaching here can be applied to any other version with minor tweaks. So you're using Access 2010, don't worry, once you understood what you have to do on how to solve that problem, you will find how to do it in your version. So there is not much difference from one to the other. So don't worry about that. Yes, the main thing you have to do here is to follow to understand the skills I'm teaching you on that, how you can apply that to your problem. In this scenario, you will be working for Cards by James. This is a shop that creates greeting cards, and they are made for order as well. Your job is to create a database to meet his requirements, and this is the task you will have to solve. You are given 3 files: a database with the customers, a CSV file with the price list, and a Word document with the sales records. Those are available in your Google Classroom, so you will have to download the 3 of them and then work with them throughout the coursework. Notice that an important part of this coursework is to test your work as you go along. This is a requirement throughout the coursework, so you will see at the beginning of every task and then the last task, they all ask you to test what you've done. So the testing will, you'll have to test your solution, but how you do the test, it will depend on what are you testing, obviously. So you test a query, you have to run the query and see that the results are okay. If you're testing validation, then you have to test that entering the right data gives you the right output. So that we'll see that as we go along, but bear that in mind that whatever it is that we do throughout the coursework, it needs to be tested. Remember as well to annotate your work. You will have to explain why you done it this way and how. Use a screenshot to document how, the steps you have followed, and use annotations to explain why. This is very important. Screenshots alone won't give you marks. I insist on you giving explanations, good explanations on how you are meeting the requirements in your solution, and this is crucial to get good marks.